Alright, this is Lexus NuLuxe. We got a rip there. We're going to attempt to repair this today. Now, this is on a Lexus GX 460. Many Lexus vehicles come with NuLuxe leather or NuLuxe fake leather inside. It's supposed to look like leather, and this is what it looks like brand new, but we've managed to wear a little wear spot in the driver's side after like 24,000 miles. That's what it looks like. But you can see this NuLuxe stuff or leather is kind of fiber reinforced, and that's a good thing because that means it could theoretically be repaired rather easily, at least in terms of holding up, because we're going to use some glue here, T7000. It is a surprise adhesive force. This was a great adhesive. Stimulate the taste free, a hint of scent. And we got some more instructions for a good laugh. You can read them, but it's supposed to work on everything. It has a nice thin applicator tip, as you can see here, a needle tip, so you get fine precision control. And the viscosity is kind of medium, not too thick, not too thin, and that's why we chose it. It hardens, not as soft as sealant, but not as hard as something like super glue. So this stuff is right in between super glue and sealant. It's medium. So here we go. We're going to apply it into the matrix. That's the reinforcement of the NuLuxe, and presumably this is what makes NuLuxe durable because it's reinforced essentially. Unlike pleather or natural leather, when you rip it, it tears and that's it. You got to add reinforcement later. This stuff, as you can see, is reinforced with a matrix of some sort of synthetic fiber. This is the only wear on this Lexus GX, on this NuLuxe. It's the only spot that's worn, is what I'm trying to ramble here. So we're applying the T7000 liberally into the area, and gonna add a little bit more. As you can see, it's taking shape. Now again, this is a Mickey Mouse repair. I have no intentions to make this perfect or, you know, so-called as good as new. The idea is to keep it from ripping. In other words, to keep the rip from spreading like a crack on your windshield. You're trying to control the damage. And there we are, zoomed out a little bit, and you can see that it's already looking pretty good. The color here is black, as you can see, but I have zero doubt that the sun and the dust and just use is going to fade that kind of glossy black back to the original charcoal black of the rest of the NuLuxe. In other words, I'm trying to ramble. This is all going to match once it gets some sunlight and dust and UV and everything else, and it's all going to be good. So again, the intention is to stop the thing from spreading and for it to hold up, but I do believe it's going to be invisible pretty soon.